Okay guys, so just like the school cutout, this is the tutorial with the cutout to show you guys exactly what you need to do or remove to remove the brake booster, master cylinder, the pedal itself, the brake pedal itself. We're gonna look at all this. We're gonna cut all this out. I believe these are all 9/16 bolts. You can use a wrench. First thing we're gonna do though, we're gonna remove this line. So I'm gonna leave the master cylinder attached to the brake booster itself. As the hose, we'll pop that out. First thing we're gonna do though, we're gonna remove these lines while this is stationary. We're gonna remove these brake lines. Use a 7/16 wrench or a line wrench, 7/16. So I'll use the line wrench. I've already put some WD-40 on it. So let's mount the camera, let's move these lines, and then we're gonna go to the next step. Just for the record, everything works perfect. There's no, the brake lines are cut on here, so, but this thing is working great. Those are removed, so they run to the proportion valve. This is zero on this vehicle. It's also in really good condition. Probably do a tutorial on that soon. You don't have to do this, but we can remove this now. Let's get that out of the way. All right, the next thing we want to do is the 4 bolts. So I'm gonna try to use the big drive extension, 9/16. So remember guys, I'm using the swivel to mimic as if I'm under the dashboard. So let's try to get the other ones. So look guys, we're coming right under there. So it goes right on. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay guys, what I should have did first, I was remove the bolts from here. I believe these are 3/8 inch. So I want to remove the whole pedal system, so I could have got that first too. So let's get this removed, and let's get these. And there's another one right here. We're gonna get this out of our way because it's not attached to anything. So this was 1/2 inch, 9/16. on this plug, guys.
Dad, why are you touching that one?
So we're dissecting this whole setup. There's a pin here, so let's pop this pin out. Pedal should shift off. There it goes. So that's off. Move the pedal now. Got the sensor here. Pretty sure this is for the brake lights. And that's it. So let's remove the rest of it. Got the pedal. Not bad. Okay guys, in closing, just kind of going to run over the parts. You guys can see there's a nylon washer on the back side of this, so it goes through here with that sensor. There's a bush in here. It's plastic. There's a plastic washer in here too as well that it rides on. You guys can see this one on. Like so. So this road like that between there, and there's another nylon washer on the back side. So let me show you how. So this is how it goes, guys. Just like that, and the pin goes in last. I guess that's it for this tutorial, guys. I do want to note something. Well, this doesn't go. This goes the opposite way. The bolt goes on the opposite side. Just put this in just to have it in here. I want to note a couple things with this. So to this is a stick shift. Same brake booster. This brake booster is not any good. It's not any good. I got the car. The vacuum hose was off, and this thing is hard as a rock, extremely hard. And I'm gonna replace this brake booster. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna use. But let me show you guys what it's doing. Look at this pedal. It won't even go in. It's stiff as it won't go in. It won't go no farther. It's like it's locked up. So I'm gonna replace the brake booster on this, but you guys can see the pedal. This is a smaller pedal for the stick shift or the manual. Opposed to the automatic pedal will be too long. It'll kind of interfere with the clutch. So I just want to note those things. And of course, if you probably already know that, you know the differences between the manual and the automatic. So I'll be using the brake booster from here. So this is the brake booster I'm going to use for that. This one. Same year vehicle, doesn't matter, but it's the 74, 78, I believe it'll work all the way through. There's the proportion valve, and yeah, but I'll be using this setup here. This is going to remove the master cylinder and the brake booster together and use it, because this works really well as well. That's the key. The pedal for this is the automatic. Same setup. Okay guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for the next one, a tutorial or something. I think the next video that's going to release is about the Suburban, or maybe another tutorial with this vehicle. I don't know, I'm not sure. But once again, I hope you guys found something helpful in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Terrence, I'm out.